Hey everybody, so I ordered another box from Lancaster because sometimes you just need a little Lancaster food and love, and he's been working hard and so stressed out, and I wanted to give him a special bundle to open. So we're gonna open it for you and tell you what we think.
A bag in a box.
So we got a free shopping bag along with it. That's pretty sweet.
One bubble wrap.
What's that? Oh, that's a cracker.
Crackers.
You can buy those anyway.
Veggie crackers. Caramel corn. Ooh. Now we're getting to the good stuff.
Yeah, they'll be happy when they see what's in here. Read the cheese, Seth. What is it?
It's cheese.
Lancaster County cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Stotzfus Farms. Okay.
Ring bologna.
Ring bologna. It's all Stotzfus made.
Ooh, sweet beef bologna. That's going to be good.
That's one of our favorites. What's this one? Oh, yum cheese. Farmer's cheese.
Farmer's cheese and marble cheese.
Maggie, what do you think? Toby, you're not having any of it.
Wilbur buds. I don't know what they are.
Wilbur buds are just so popular in Lancaster. I've never quite figured that out as to why.
They're kind of almost like Hershey Kisses.
With spicy cheese.
Kielbasa.
I like with spicy cheese.
And then sweet pepper cream cheese dip. That'd be good on the crackers.
Oh, that sounds so good. I can't wait to try it. So we're going to actually get this all out and cut it up and make it look nice, and then we're going to try it. What do you think? Thumbs up?
Thank
so
you.
Yes.
So what do you want to try first? I'm going to try I'm just going to go
I already
left
had
to
some
right.
of the cheddar.
Farmer's cheese.
I'll take one too. It's very smooth.
Extremely smooth. And then we have marble cheese.
Marble cheese.
He's faster than me. I'm telling you, Lancaster has the best cheeses. So good. It's soft, but not as soft as the Farmer's. But sweet and mild is really good.
Cheddar's really good.
It cleanses my palate.
Really breaks apart though.
Oh, that's good. I feel like that's sharp cheddar. It doesn't stay sharp, but
It's too sharp.
tastes a little bit sharp. It's delicious. This would make really good homemade mac and cheese. Really good. I'm really excited about this part. Oh my word.
Like wow.
I could sit here and eat at least half this thing by myself. It is so good.
Sweet pepper.
You can tell they have like
can
fresh
taste-
sweet pepper jelly in there.
You can taste the pepper.
And really good cream cheese. Oh my word. It's like dessert cheese. Okay. Moving on. The sweet bologna. I haven't tasted this. Now, we both are from York County, Pennsylvania, which is next to Lancaster. And I have yet to taste a sweet bologna that's better than Twin Pines Farm. So, let me taste this.
This is pretty good.
It actually is good. It's better than I thought it would be. So I have very high standards for this kind of bologna. I mean, I would say this is like an 8 out of 10 compared to like Twin Pines, which I think is like a 10 out of 10. Yeah. So it's still really good.
That's just what we're used to. Apple maple snack stick. Still chewing?
Give me my water.
This is good.
Apple. That's really good. Wow.
Yeah, that's probably my favorite so far.
It's a surprise. Yeah, so the apple maple is like a 9 out of 10 for me. Maybe 9.5.
So this is a kielbasa with smoked
spicy cheese.
With spicy cheese.
I love spicy cheese. He does not.
You can see it in the middle. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is good.
I like that a lot.
Yeah. Yummy. Okay. I've already tasted this. I'm only going to have a half piece because I'm not a big fan of ring bologna. It's just a little too dense and, I wouldn't say fatty. It's just a little too dense for me compared to like the sweet bologna or the sticks. It's a heavier.
Yeah, I agree.
Heavier beef.
There's not a lot of flavor there for the amount of meat that's there.
It tastes too sausagey for me.
Yeah.
But this is all very good. But yeah.
Cheddar cheese and the 2 snack sticks were my favorite.
We'll have this later. We already know this is going to be sweet, so we'll have it later. Emma's popcorn from New Holland. But yeah, so good sweet bologna, good sausage sticks, Extremely good cream cheese dip. Really, really, really good cheddar. I mean, that's all. Very delicious. So this is what you get. I'll put the price I paid for down in the description because I can't remember offhand. It's 2-day shipping anywhere in the U.S. So we got ours in 2 days, and it came a little bit cold, and we put it in the fridge to keep it cold until tonight. But yeah, it's a fun way to bring Lancaster again to us when we can't be there. And he loves bologna and cheese. So do our boys. So I'm gonna have them taste in a minute because they love bologna and cheese. Ah, Saved by the Bell. That's all, folks. I can cut this video out. Stop it. Stop. So I ordered something from Lancaster because sometimes you just need to order. Where's your... Oh, there.
What?
To start over. Ready?
And action.
Go ahead. Show.
Oh.
This is the size of it. Is that showing up? There.